how to transfer a TikTok account to another mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer a TikTok account to another mobile. First, open the TikTok app on your current iPhone. Once you're in, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Scroll down and tap on Log Out to log out of your current account. Once logged out, tap on Switch Account. Now tap on Add Account to begin the process of transferring your account. Then, tap on Add Another Account. You'll be given different options for logging in. You can choose to continue with your phone number, email, username, Facebook, Apple, or Google account. Enter the phone number, email, or username associated with your TikTok account to log in. Once logged in, your TikTok account will be successfully transferred to your new mobile device. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.